Hello, 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 and welcome. So, if you have been following me, you know that I have been looking at gold and looking for three-wave continuation structures. So, gold has been very clear and quite nice to trade. We see that gold is in an uptrend, right? This is basically what I do day in, day out, every week, every year round. So, I look for trades that are in trends, and I like to trade continuation structures because they offer very good trades. Look at this. Gold is pushing up, right? We are in an uptrend and we have been on many time frames. This is the daily pushing up here. If we go down to the 4 hour, we're pushing up here and we are correcting. But if we take a closer look, we see that, and I posted this as well, that gold is in a three-wave structure here, at least a possible three-wave structure. A 1, 2, 3. We pushed up, and what did we do? Look at this, another three-wave structure that we looked at last week here. This one took a while before it actually went, right? There was a lot of accumulation in here, a lot of buyers building up their positions. Then we gotta move up, another pattern here, another three-wave structure. We pushed up, look at this, another three-wave structure. And right now, currently, if we go down to the 15-minute, we see, what do we see? Another three-wave structure here yet again. So we clearly see that patterns, they are being formed, and market it moves in these impulses, correction, and very often we get these three-wave corrections. And this is what I trade, this is what I like to see happen. And an important part is that I never take trades in isolation either. I always trade these patterns with some other tools. If I take a look at gold right now, this one bounced off the open. I know this because I took this trade. We see that price came down here, pushed up, came down again for the third wave, came to the opening price, the daily open, and started bouncing off that. So this is giving me a clear indication that buyers are clearly here. They're interested. They are watching the open. A little volume spike, nothing fancy. So if we do break out of this high, I would like to see I would like to see volume coming into the trade to give more strength to this idea. On the higher time frame, we also see that it hasn't gone exceptionally strong, right? It's not been like this over here. Look at this. This went pretty fast and sharp. This is more of like a grinding uptrend currently. So I am very careful with every buy that I take. I'm making sure that I take profits, partial profits. So one of the things that I think new traders, they don't realize is that you have to pay yourself. You have to learn how to pay yourself. And you do that by implementing strategies. For instance, I'm in this trade right now. What's the plan, right? The plan is that if we come up and tag the top, I take some of my position out, either 20% or 50%. And then the rest of the position, I put it to break even. In this way, I will make money. And if the trade actually just blows up or starts to push up, I'm still in the trade, right? So I don't start chasing it, and I don't start doing some emotional dumb mistakes because, oh no, I closed the trade and now I'm not in it, but I was in it, and you know how it goes. And to make sure that you don't do these emotional, subjective, reactionary moves, you need to have strategies in place that keep you in check. And taking partial profit can be one of those strategies. And it's just also an intelligent way to trade, because I can't read the future. Like, I have no idea what the market will do. All of this is probability. I make intelligent decisions based on what I see and past history and market structure, etc., etc., but nothing is guaranteed. So to protect myself, to protect my capital, to protect my emotional state, I need strategies in place that ensure that I stay on track. I need habits in place that ensure I stay on track. I need a routine that ensures that I stay focused and on track. So, this is basically just a video demonstrating chart patterns and that they actually, they exist, they happen. And when this happens and when trading works, when your strategy, when your edge is present and it's strong, you have to take advantage of it and you have to trade, because you don't know if the edge suddenly weakens or if it, dissipates. So if you're interested in trading chart patterns, take a look at some of my videos and how I do things. I really try to talk about and demonstrate everything that I do and my approach, and more videos in detail will come out. I think that, I would love to create a community here where we can be a lot of traders helping each other, because it can get lonely and trading is hard. Having a group of people, like-minded people, who can challenge each other, who can help each other, who can share opinions and knowledge, it only serves to help us all. Like it will only heighten our ability to trade. Let's help each other get better. So I hope that these videos, they help and you find value. And yeah, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.